so we're continuing with our study on scalar multiplication of matrices. Now we've got an example here which states that find A and B if 2 times A 3 2B plus 3 times 1504 is equal to 721 4 18. Now for us to deal with this, we simply have to follow the simple rules. Multiply everything by 2, multiply everything by 3, and then we see what happens next. Okay, so 2 times A is 2A, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times B, that's 2B. Then multiply everything by 2, 3 times 1, 3, 3 times 5, 15, 3 times 0, 0, 3 times 4, 12. Then this is equal to 721 4 18. Okay, so what you can see here is that we can follow the corresponding terms. 2a corresponds with 3, which corresponds with 7. So we can write the statement 2a plus 3 is equal to 7. Similarly, 4, no, not 4, I want 2b. 2b corresponds with 12, which corresponds with 18, right? So 2b plus 12 is equal to 18. So let me take that to the next page and then we can continue our calculations there. So we have 2a plus 3 is equal to 7. Then we have 2b plus 12 is equal to 18. So let's work that out, right? We take our 3 the other side, we get 2a is equal to 7 minus 3. So that means 2a is equal to 4. We divide both sides by 2 to cancel off the 2. We get a is equal to 4 divided by 2, which is 2. We take 12 the other side, we get 2b is equal to 18 minus 12. 2b is equal to 6. Divide both sides by 2, we get a is equal to, oh sorry, that's b. b is equal to 3. So we found our value for a, we found our value for b. Let's try another example, which is different from this one. This one is asking us to find the matrix A. So we have a matrix that we are calling A. We're told B is equal to 2, 1, 0, 3, and C is equal to 4, 3, 6, 5. And then we're told to find A if 2A plus B is equal to C. So what's our solution? We just follow the equation we're given. 2 times A plus B gives us C. So 2 times A plus our B, which is 2103, is equal to our C, which is 4365. Now this is a simple equation. We have to move B to the other side. B was positive, and by the law of equations, if we move it to the other side of the equal sign, it must become negative. So 2a is equal to 4365 minus 2103. Okay, so 2a is equal to 4 minus 2, that's 2. 3 minus 1, that's 2. 6 minus 0, that's 6. And then 5 minus 3, that's 2. When I get this, I have 2a is equal to that. I'm not looking for 2a, I want a. So I have to divide both sides by 2 to cancel off that 2. When you're dividing a matrix by a certain number, you have to divide all numbers within that matrix by that number. So everything in the matrix is divided by 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. 2 divided by 2, 1. 6 divided by 2, 3. And then 2 divided by 2, that's another 1. And then you get your final result for your matrix. So there's some questions I'd like you to attempt and practice your skills on dealing with scalars and matrices.